This is a step-by-step guide for how to use the Attractive Body Maker tool for males by Fluratech. Attractive Body Maker tool by Fluratech.com is a kind of tool which would help you to understand what kind of body is yours and what are the changes you have to do to your body to make it the most attractive, the ideal, the perfect body. So what you want to do is just to give your basic measurements to us. First you have to give your name, then your height in centimeter and weight in kilogram. Then just click on the next button. Next, you have to give your upper body measurements like your chest size, your waist size, your arms size, and your neck size in centimeters. Again, click on the next button and there you got to see a page where we're asking you your lower body measurements like what is your thigh size, what is your knee size, and what is your calf size, all taken in centimeters. And let's go! So we got our body to be 70.56% perfect, and here we can see the pictorial representation of our body where it's given that our shape is trapezoid, and a small explanation about the trapezoid shape is given right below, and the analysis report. Here it is. We have smaller chest, we have bigger waist, we have moderate arms and moderate calf and moderate thigh. So these are the informations given, and there's given perfectly that what are the exercises we want to do to increase or to improve our body parts, and also here are the clothings what suits our body shape. So it seems cool, and here's the diet. So as we have healthy weight, there's given that we want to eat protein rich foods. Great, everything went great. So this is the awesome attractive body checker tool by Fluratech. You can use it as much as you like because it is free. So try it and know it yourself.